So right now I just had to Gorilla Glue this trim on. It was falling off, so I got that taped up right now. I'm about to go ahead and start putting on my spoiler for my rear windshield. I'm gonna heat it up. I'm gonna clean it, then I'm gonna heat it with my heat gun, and then I'm gonna get some, I think I got some glass silicone or glue. I'm gonna go get some from AutoZone to help it stick also, but yeah, definitely gonna heat the glass. Okay, so this is what I'm doing with my antenna. I took the magnet out, took the cord out, took everything out basically. Here go the antenna. I'm gonna silicone the antenna, the magnet to the antenna base. Then I'm gonna glue the base and the magnet basically to the trunk. I cleaned it. I'm gonna just put the rag there so I know where I'm going at, of course. All right, I decided to put one antenna right here. I siliconed around it like a little sealer. It's not too sharp, but it'll look good once it get painted. You won't even notice it. I'm gonna take this antenna off and to have them paint the base so it'll match the car. Second antenna on. Decided to place it here because I had a little rust spot there, so I just wanted to cover the rust spot. But anyway, I silicone the sides, so once it dry, it'll be nice and solid. Sure, it's not neat, but once it get painted, you won't even notice. My windshield spoiler on. Comes with a double-sided 3M, but I'm gonna add a little more safety to mine. Bond it on there a little bit, so I'm gonna put it in between the grooves. Say glass, so shit. Let's do it. All right, here go the epoxy. I'm gonna put it in the center.